These blueberries are amazing. Blueberries are great for you. They have a lot of vitamins and a lot of fiber, and they don't have a lot of calories, so they're great. Okay, so let's get started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Geidily. I have very exciting news. So I've been very busy with my boyfriend looking for apartments. We're finally going to be moving in together after 7 years of being with each other.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
So it's been very exciting, and it's also been very freaking stressful. Like, the New York City market is wild. So I'm sorry that I didn't drop anything last week, but I'm here this week with something new and exciting. I actually want to give my hair a little bit of a break. I've been going to the beach a lot. As you can see, I'm tan. Yeah, you know, I'm wetting my hair a lot, and I'm experiencing this hair loss, as you all know. If you watch my previous videos on protein overload, it's been really bad, and every single time that I go to the shower and wash my hair, it's like a new breakdown all over again, because I realize how much I'm losing, you know? So I'm gonna give my hair a little bit of a break. So then I decided, what else do I do that's beauty related or that I can do for you guys? And one of the things that I do is I dye my eyebrows. Now, going to the salon and dyeing your eyebrows is very expensive. So literally, I dye my eyebrows at home. If you guys want to know how to dye your eyebrows, let's get started. I'm so excited. A few things that you're gonna need is definitely a dye. I bought this one from Amazon. I think it was like a few bucks. I don't think it was much, maybe $8. I'll link it down below and I'll let you guys know how much it was. It's supposed to last 1,000 hours. I'm gonna be very honest with you. 1,000 hours is what, like about 50 days. That's what 1,000 hours is for. And this is the 1,000 hour Enhanced Beauty Lash and Brow Dye. And I got it in the color Natural Black. Honestly, I don't know if that's actually my color, but it's been working for me for the past years. So we're gonna keep it like that. Some people like to use men hair dye. Hey, if you want to, be my guest, but I've used this and it's worked really well for me, especially because it shows you where you're putting the dye immediately, whereas I think with the men dye, you put it on and then it starts to darken. I don't know if you get what I mean, but you'll see. You're gonna need some of these. What do you call these things? Some of these, what are these called? You're gonna need some of these, okay? Look at it right there, boom. You're definitely gonna need some petroleum jelly. I'm clumsy. And you're gonna need a little brush, you know, that has like a stiff end, because we're gonna use this to like really precisely locate where we're gonna put the dye. I think that is all that we're gonna need. Let's see what's in this box. I've used this box for like a year, guys, so please don't kill me if you think it looks dirty or ugly or whatever. The box has, this is like the color. It's kind of like dyeing your hair, like literally like your head hair. And it has this liquid, which is the developer. And then it has this little spoolie. And it comes with another one right here, but I threw that out. I don't know. And basically, this little box is to locate everything, and then right here is where you mix. I honestly put like a little bit of the dye, and then I put a couple of, I would say like I put like 4 drops of this. So I'll put a little bit of the dye. There's not much left. Yeah, so that's actually a lot. That's actually a lot of dye. But I guess I'll do my lashes too. And then for that amount, I'm gonna put like 5 drops of this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was more like 6 or 7. It's an estimate, okay? Don't kill me. And then we're gonna mix. It's hard to mix sometimes, but I kind of just play with it. And then I play with this and this together at the same time. You should get like maybe this much. You're not gonna need a lot. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's not supposed to be much, and because at the end of the day we're only dyeing our brows, we're not dyeing anything crazy. While that is setting, we're going to grab these right here, and we're gonna grab a little mirror right here, and what we're gonna do is outline to make sure that we could put this everywhere where we're not gonna put dye, of course. Go around like that. Try to go around your natural line of your eyebrows, you know? And this is just basically going to prevent you from dyeing outside where you need to dye. Sometimes I put down here if I'm gonna put some other dye in my lower lashes, because you know we gotta make those pop too. Go like that, and that's it. Next, we're gonna grab this spoolie with some dye on it and really like submerge that in there, and then we're just gonna go up from where you want the dye to be. See that? Okay, so now that I put that, we're gonna go in with this brush and be more precise and really get in there and create my lines. I really like to pack it on this eyebrow because right here I have some like spaces that I want to fill up. And then sometimes I'll go with this and I'll just take off what from the top if I need to. Kind of like that. Right? And then here I'll go back in with this and I'll just make these light strokes, making sure that I get the eyebrow like that. It's lighter in the front, darker in the back. Gives me that natural look of an eyebrow. There we go. And this side is basically done. And that is all. After that, sometimes if I want to, I'll do my lashes. If I want to make them a little darker, you can also go ahead and do that. Wait 15 minutes before taking it off, and that's it. Don't forget to constantly clean up with this, and as well as the petroleum jelly, as you are trying to get the line of your brow, because you definitely don't want to have like a mess around. You want to make sure that in the end it's cleaned and sharp. So I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to go ahead and use this little towel to just remove it. So let's go. Time for the moment of truth. Okay, let's see. I like to start from the front because again, it's the part that you want it to be the lightest. And yeah, it's coming off. Then we'll wash our face. Ooh, and that's it. Ooh, I gotta gotta go wash this off. Okay guys, so these are the results. I really love how they came out. I would really recommend for you guys to try this at home. Just remember that it isn't permanent, so that's good. And the most you'll last with it, if you do mess up, is about 3 weeks, or a month maybe. So don't worry, try it, have fun. Just make sure that you don't try it when you have something big coming up, because that would be bad. If you do decide to try it, please comment down below how it came out. What were your results? Were you happy? Were you not happy? And please also let me know if you guys want me to try anything else new. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you can get notifications on my upcoming videos, which I release every Friday. And guys, I have a lot of good content coming out. We're gonna do curl formers, wave formers, flexi rods, and I mean, we're gonna be trying a lot of really exciting things in the future. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are the best.